In today's tutorial, I will show you how to easily transfer the TikTok app from the internal storage of your Samsung Galaxy phone to the SD card. If you've noticed that your phone has slowed down due to a full internal memory, this is a great way to free up space and improve the device's performance. Without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the settings on your phone. Once you're in settings, scroll down, find the apps option, and tap on it to open. When you open apps, you'll see a list of all installed applications. To find TikTok, the fastest way is to tap the search icon in the upper right corner. In the search bar, type TikTok and then tap on the app. Next, when the TikTok app page opens, find the storage option and tap on it. After that, tap on the change option, and in the pop-up window that appears, tap on SD card. Now, to begin transferring the TikTok app from internal storage to the SD card, tap the Move button in the lower right corner. Once you do that, wait a few moments until the process is complete. After the transfer is successfully finished, TikTok will be moved to the SD card, and your phone will have more free space in the internal memory. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and tricks. See you soon, and thanks for watching.